Trying to get you home. Right over here.
You know what I know? You know what I know?
Attention.
No, you shut up.
Tomorrow?
So what paperwork do I have that my flight is on tomorrow? What paperwork do I have that
Stop
my
yelling.
flight is
You're gonna go to jail.
No. So take me to jail.
I don't want to.
Then I do so.
I don't want to. Stop.
Because you know what? My mouth is greater. And I know my rights. And I know what the
Come out.
Stop. They're going to make it work. Stop.
So, they're not going to do business.
Babe.
Y'all gotta leave.
Guys, you guys are rebooked for tomorrow.
Babe, I know my rights. Okay?
So I can't.
Listen to me.
Hey guys, they're not going to let you fly tonight. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. They're not going to let you fly tonight.
Why are they not going to let me fly?
Because they're not.
I did nothing
You just said,
wrong, though.
I'm gonna call the cops, I'll run the tape.
Hey.
I don't
What's your
care
name,
about
sir?
that. Can't run the tape.
What's your name?
Chat.
What's your first name? Jason.
Right.
It doesn't matter what the tape showed. They're not going to let you fly tonight.
So why he had to tell me that?
Listen to me.
Why he had to say that?
What is it?
And threaten me like, oh, I'm gonna run this tape.
Chat, listen to me.
Listen to us.
Go ahead,
We're here now. You guys are listen. You guys are. It's not about size.
Nobody's on
You guys are rebooked for tomorrow. But
that's
but you
fair.
don't.
You know what?
You're not
But
going to make
that's
it.
not fair. You know, I know my rights.
You're not going to make it.
I know my rights.
This doesn't have anything to do
At
with
the
rights.
end of the day, yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Hey.
I could call. No, hang
You
up.
can call and complain if
You're
you
right.
want to.
It's
But
damn
this has
fucking right.
nothing.
And I'll give a ticket flight free. Shut up, Nina.
Okay. Guys, come on.
Them two people.
All right, I'm gonna come with you. We're gonna go. But
You guys are. Do you have your stuff for being rebooked for tomorrow? Is this your stuff for tomorrow? You can't get this flight.
You just told me
They can't. They canceled it.
Do you see how they contradict
why
themselves?
didn't you let you fly?
Do you hear how they trying to contradict?
Here,
They
listen.
thought that I was
Mine
intact.
too.
Don't
No,
lose this.
they said that both of us was intact.
I get it. Listen.
And then they're like, oh no, you get on, but she can't get on.
Okay.
Then they're like, because she tried to kick you.
Okay, listen.
They were like, oh, run the video.
We need to go. Okay. We're gonna.
Can I see the cameras though?
No.
For my-
Come on.
That's what he said.
All right, but I have freedom of right.
That's what he said
I have
though.
You
freedom
guys,
of right.
you have to leave
That's
the
what he
airside.
All right, I'm gonna leave the airport, but can
That's
I
what he
have
said though.
Take this.
So I
for my
can't,
right? Can I have
can't
the
take his
camera
word and be like,
I'm not
Can I
taking
have the
anybody's
camera
word.
footage?
You're not allowed to be here because you don't have a flight tonight
I
now.
have a flight
No,
today.
Can I
you
have
don't.
the
You're
camera
canceled. You're
footage?
rebooked.
1734.
Listen, you're rebooked for tomorrow.
Can I have the camera footage?
Guys.
Trying to what? Because now you can arrest me right now then. Because you know what? I know my rights.
Hey.
Nobody's intoxicated.
Exactly.
I did not
Everybody. He
take
just said
nobody.
it. He just said it. He's like, yo, I could go. Then he's like, yo, she tried to kick me.
Camera footage? Where?
Hey.
On November 2nd, 2022, Tampa Airport Police responded to a disorderly conduct call at Tampa International Airport. Delta Airlines had denied boarding to a couple, citing intoxication and disruptive behavior, and rebooked them for the following morning. What followed raises three distinct legal questions worth examining, under Florida law and established constitutional precedent. First, the authority to remove a rebooked passenger from the airside terminal. Second, the validity of the Trespass After Warning arrest. Third, whether the disorderly intoxication charge meets the statutory threshold required under Florida law.
You need to leave the airside or you're going to be arrested for
Yeah?
trespass.
So show me the footage.
How she gonna be arrested in trespassing if she got the booking?
So arrest me.
Hold on. How she gonna get arrested if she has the boarding pass?
You, let's go now.
The boarding pass.
Let's go.
You just put in your
I
boarding
want to
pass.
see the footage.
So let me get the boarding pass.
Listen. You are trespassed.
How am I trespassing? I got a ticket.
Listen to me.
You put it in your pocket.
It's for tomorrow,
All right.
not now.
So how I'm treating
No, it's for today.
No, it's for tomorrow.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's for tomorrow.
Leave.
Don't touch me.
You need to leave.
Don't touch me.
Okay, that's.
Where's the
Don't
female
touch me.
officer? Female officer.
Don't touch me.
Let's go. Leave.
Can I get the boarding pass?
Yes, leave.
Goodbye.
How
You
many?
need to leave.
You need to leave
No,
too.
no.
You need to leave. Chap, look at me right now. Leave.
Can I get the boarding pass?
Turn
Yes,
around and
all
walk.
right.
We are going to walk with you, and you will get your boarding
Can I get the
passes.
boarding?
I'll take it now and we'll leave.
Okay. Let's go.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
They're all a bunch of lies, though.
No, I'm not taking
Leave.
anyone's side.
Chap, leave.
Hey,
They
please
just say, "Oh,
stop yelling.
watch the video, watch the tape." Oh, she tried to kick
Chap,
me.
I'm gonna smack the shit out of you in 2 seconds.
Well, don't do that,
Stop
please.
I don't know how she was over here.
Is this all your stuff?
Oh yeah.
Hey, is this your stuff, guys?
That's my stuff. You need to go. I'm used to this.
Fucking relax.
I'm working you out. I'm not. Want that?
There's one on the other side.
When we get across to the main.
Is that making sense?
Yeah, and you ain't gotta pay a $1.
So here's the thing. If you this way, guys, this way.
Temper, you still want the A1 to the gate?
If we're gonna sit here and cause a disturbance,
No disturbance.
there was. Let's go. Walk.
There wasn't disturbance to begin
There
with.
was. She's screaming, causing a disturbance.
Not there now because you
Okay,
came.
right, and
But before
because
that,
I came.
But before that, there was no disturbance.
So listen. So
They said that
when there's a disturbance
we
and you're
both
not.
highly intoxicated,
Listen.
but that I could board the flight, but she couldn't.
Okay.
So how you gonna say
it doesn't matter?
We both highly
but we got past that. So they called us. And
I know
you don't
because
have
I called you.
and you don't have a flight.
I told.
So listen, bro.
I had a flight.
Yeah, but
7
they canceled it. Right here, this way. This way. So you're rebooked for tomorrow. You don't have any business over here tonight. So you can't be over here causing disturbances or be over here.
Nothing. I'm just trying to get on my flight.
Okay, we want you to get on your flight. That's why we're trying to keep everything calm, bro. We're trying to get you home. Right over here.
You know what I know? You know what I know? No, you shut up. Bitch. Yeah?
Tomorrow?
So what paperwork do I have that my flight is
know what
on
it's
tomorrow? What paperwork do I have that
Stop
my
yelling.
flight is
You're gonna go to jail.
No. So take me to jail.
On the question of airside access, a boarding pass for a future flight confers no present right to remain in the secured terminal. Tampa International Airport, as a public entity, retains regulatory authority over airside access and may restrict entry to individuals without a valid same-day credential. Officers directing the couple to exit were legally correct from the outset. The dispute over the rebooking itself was a consumer matter, not a police matter. On the Trespass After Warning charge, Florida Statutes, Section 8, 10.09, requires two distinct elements. First, an authorized person must clearly communicate a warning to leave. Second, the subject must willfully remain after receiving that warning. Officers communicated the warning explicitly and repeatedly across more than 10 minutes of encounter. The female subject acknowledged each warning directly. Her statement, "Take me to jail," is legally significant. It demonstrates awareness of the consequence combined with willful refusal to comply. That combination satisfies the willfulness element required under Section 8, 10.09. The trespass charge, on the available record, appears legally defensible.
I want to.
Then do so.
I don't
Do
want
it.
to. Stop.
Because you know what? My mouth is greater. And I know my rights. And I know what the is right. I didn't do done type shit at the end of the day. I really didn't.
But right now you
Y'all
are.
gonna be
Stop.
done.
Because
No,
y'all, you
I'm not
started
gonna
it.
stop.
We didn't
I'm
start
not
anything.
drunk.
Not you,
I'm not nothing.
Because they
You
said
need to.
we're gonna run
No,
the tape.
I told
You're
you.
intoxicated.
No, I'm not intoxicated.
That's what they said about me, and I
Prove
was gonna
that
board
I'm
the flight.
intoxicated.
Stop yelling.
Prove it. You know
We're just
why?
trying to get you on your flight tomorrow.
Yeah, I want my flight today.
But you don't have one now.
I do.
you don't.
And I can prove it that I
They
do.
canceled it, ma'am.
Yeah, why they cancel it? For what reason?
This reason.
For I was not like this. I sat there. She was on the phone. There was nothing wrong. Nothing.
Come on, let's get on this. Please don't leave your purse. Come on, let's get on the
There's
thing.
nothing wrong with me.
Okay, get your purse.
No, you can't even look at me though. But again, if that
Ma'am,
was
get your
the-
purse. I've been
I'll
looking
get-
at you the entire time. Get your
All right,
purse.
I'll get my purse right now. But you need to hear me.
I hear you.
There's cameras. There's footage.
If you want to make a complaint about Delta, you can call their
Oh, I
corporate
will.
and make it. Okay, that's
But you know
fine.
what? That's not fair. I got a daughter who's waiting for me tomorrow. I just got a phone with ACS in Brooklyn. I can call them right now.
It doesn't change that they canceled your flight.
Right, but why? There's a reason why they
They
canceled.
said you were intoxicated.
Okay, what they said and what proof is.
It appears that you are intoxicated.
No, I'm not. So it's the camera footage.
There's no camera footage,
There
man.
has to be.
About you being
Yes.
intoxicated, I
Yes.
can tell you're
You
intoxicated.
want to bet?
Yes, I do.
Because
wanna
that's how
bet.
good. I can call right now.
Okay, pick your stuff
No,
up.
I
we
can call
leave.
right now.
You need to leave.
So where's the camera footage?
Ma'am, pick your
Where's
stuff
the
up.
camera footage? This is nothing
Hey,
against. You're
hey,
doing.
this is
Listen,
the last time. We're gonna
you're
trespass.
doing your job. You're doing your job. I get it.
Please
You're
pick your
doing
stuff
it.
up so we
Yeah, I
can
can
so we
pick
can
my
get
stuff
you
up.
out of here so you can fly
No,
tomorrow.
I'm not getting out of here. Because at the end of the day, you're doing your job, and rightfully so. But as a right from human, I know there is camera. I want to see.
That doesn't have anything to do with.
Yes, it does, because then how are they telling me I can't take a flight?
Get on the thing.
How are they telling me I can?
Get on the
No,
thing.
how are they telling me I can? Don't touch me.
Go.
You can't touch me. You can't touch me. I dare you to touch me.
Don't make
no.
touch you.
Trina.
Don't make him. He can't.
Trina.
He can't. He can't. What? No.
We're about to depart. Please stand clear of the doors and hold handrails firmly.
See, that's the fucking problem, shot, dumbass.
Attention, the doors
So where's
have
the
not
camera
closed
footage,
properly.
though?
Please be sure that you and your belongings are clear of the doors.
Yeah,
To
that.
depart, please
That
stand
shit
clear
right
of the doors
now.
and hold the
That.
handrails
Do
firmly.
you know who I know?
They don't have That's why I call their bluff. I said when they come, when they do footage.
Arrest me, you know why? Because I got my right.
Come on, get off the tram. Let's
Get on the train for what?
The whole day?
No, he could go though, right? But he could go, right? Yes or no?
No one can go.
Attention, the doors have not closed properly. Please be sure that you and your belongings are clear of the doors. We are about to depart.
Go.
Who the fuck is you?
Go.
Let's go.
He can't technically.
My trespass,
You're going
I will
to jail.
fucking
Leave
kill.
or you're getting arrested.
The disorderly intoxication charge presents a more complicated picture. Florida Statutes Section 856.011 is frequently misapplied. The statute requires intoxication in a public place and either causing a public disturbance or endangering the safety of another person. Intoxication alone is not a criminal offense under Florida law. This distinction is the most likely pressure point in any prosecution. The officer's on-scene assessment that the female subject appeared intoxicated was stated, but not formally documented through field sobriety indicators on camera. Prosecutors will rely on officer testimony and airline staff accounts to establish the disturbance element. Defense counsel will challenge both as subjective. The alleged spitting incident introduces a third potential charge. Under Florida statutes, Section 784.07, battery on a law enforcement officer spitting on an officer constitutes a third-degree felony carrying up to 5 years imprisonment. The female subject denied this categorically. The officer himself stated he would need to review the footage before characterizing what occurred. That level of officer restraint in the moment was correct. Overstating a charge before reviewing available evidence weakens prosecutorial credibility. On the constitutional dimension, the First Amendment does protect loud, confrontational, even profane speech directed at law enforcement. The Supreme Court confirmed this in City of Houston versus Hill. Officers may not arrest a person solely because their speech is offensive or challenges police conduct. However, First Amendment protection does not extend to willful refusal to comply with a lawful order to vacate a restricted area. The arrest here was not triggered by speech. It was triggered by sustained physical presence in a restricted zone after explicit, repeated warnings. That distinction is critical.
So arrest me.
Trespass after warning. Okay.
Oh, if I got a boarding pass.
You're under arrest.
How am I under arrest?
Put your hand behind your back. You made up your mind what you want. Put your hand behind your back. There you go. Take that off. You don't need that. You're not going to need that in jail.
Chat, take my phone. Chat.
Yep.
Hold on, bro.
Stand back. Stand back.
I'm taking her phone. Relax.
You're can just go by like that. 115. You show me 1015.
There's stuff.
You want to go back over the terminal or you want to go?
No, we'll go
I
straight
want to
here.
go home.
You're not going home now.
You got it.
Can you get her ID?
I don't have ID.
You're flying without ID?
They let me pass with proof of what I needed as proof.
All right.
And you're arresting me for no reason.
We're arresting you for trespass after warning
How am I
and
trespass-
disorderly intoxication.
I'm not intoxicated.
Yes, you are.
Though. How?
She never drank.
I never drank. I had two.
Man,
What are you talking about?
you're all bad with drinking.
No, do you know how many people
That's free
drink?
anyways.
Listen, I didn't want popcorn. You don't
You're
understand.
acting like an animal.
So am I. I went to lick
my
it.
face when we were
I
talking.
didn't spit in your
Not
face.
intentionally.
You're lying right now.
Not intentionally.
You're
but
saying I spit in your face?
not charging
On
you.
my dead father, bro, I never spit in your face. You're a liar.
130.
Sweetheart, I spit in his face?
He said it wasn't intentional.
I never spit in nobody's face.
You still act like an animal.
No, because I want to go home to Brooklyn. I have my
30.
flight.
You're not.
You're a liar.
You got a new home.
You're lying. You're lying. I never spit in nobody's face. Oh, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Yes, you did.
No,
You've been acting like an animal since I got
How was I acting like an animal?
your mouth.
My mouth.
Your
I
mouth.
didn't do nothing
You just
wrong.
won't shut up.
What are you talking about? You see
Being
that?
nasty.
That's nasty people.
You know, you're being nasty to everybody.
Sweetheart, please, if you know what's right, please.
I do know what's right. That's why we tried to get you to leave.
Yeah, right when I was leaving, but you know what? I
you
know
weren't.
my rights
You told
don't
no.
do that.
You told me F you. I don't want to miscategorize what you said. I'll watch the video to make sure.
Yeah, please do, because you know what? They're
No,
open.
I think Mike's parked out back.
Never in my life. I didn't do nothing wrong. That's not fair.
Corporal, pat down real quick.
I was going home to New York.
We're just going straight out. We'll pat her down out there.
You can do whatever you want. That's not fair.
I started the stuff. Okay. I don't have any of her information, so.
Okay.
I'll just start.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna pass it on. Okay, so put you in the vehicle. What's your name?
Tampa Airport police officers receive a B-. The legal basis for the trespass warning was sound. Officers issued multiple explicit warnings before executing the arrest consistent with Section 810.09 procedure. Physical force remained proportionate throughout. The request for a female officer to conduct the pat-down reflects correct procedural awareness. However, repeated use of the phrase acting like an animal to describe the female subject is professionally inappropriate and legally counterproductive. Language of that nature, captured on Bodycam, gives defense counsel grounds to argue bias and serves no legitimate law enforcement purpose. The female subject receives a C+. Her underlying grievance that the flight was canceled without adequate justification may have had merit as a consumer dispute, but her sustained refusal to comply with lawful orders to exit a restricted area converted a civil dispute into criminal exposure. Her explicit awareness of the arrest consequence, combined with continued willful noncompliance, significantly weakens any post-arrest legal defense on the trespass charge. The male subject receives a B. He acknowledged the operational reality without physical or sustained verbal resistance, cooperated with officers post-arrest, and did not obstruct the lawful process. His conduct demonstrated that asserting disagreement and complying with lawful authority are not mutually exclusive, a distinction his partner did not apply. The key lesson from this encounter is jurisdictional clarity. When an airline makes an adverse operational decision cancellation, rebooking, denial of boarding, the remedy is a formal complaint or civil claim against the carrier. Law enforcement officers on airport property have no authority to reverse that decision and no obligation to adjudicate it. Treating officers as that appeal mechanism will not change the outcome, but it will create legal exposure that did not exist before the confrontation began. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.